This page is just about fitness, it's about beauty, it's about lifestyle, it's about like helping out upcoming makeup artists. It's basically everything. I'm a professional makeup artist, certified at the London School of Makeup. Yeah, so I've been doing makeup for this year. With 2021 we make it 6 years I've actually been doing makeup, and trust me, it's not been easy. So I have a mission to empower at least 1,000 makeup artists this year, and by watching this video you guys are going to help me with that. Then talking about fitness, so I haven't always been like this. I think I should actually put up a video of me doing makeup, like I think I should put a video, because I was not like this, you guys. I've lost 10 kg and counting. I've lost 10 kg basically doing home workouts and calorie counting and everything, and I decided to document my journey. So I post like my experiences here. Already I have a fitness page on Instagram. I call it my weight loss diary, where I like update you guys on stuff and how my journey is going, and update myself too, because I actually need that motivation. Before we start, this is the time where you actually hit the subscribe button. So today we're actually talking about how to build your professional makeup kit. This is something that most upcoming makeup artists make mistakes in. What am I even saying? This is something I actually made a mistake in, because trust me, anything, like we have our fave makeup artists here on Instagram, so anything you see them using, anything at all, are running to buy it. And that's not actually how it's supposed to go, because first and foremost, when you just start doing makeup, the fonts are not there. The fonts, nope, they're not there. So to build your personal makeup kit, your professional makeup kit, we're going to like take them in what will I call it now? We're going to break them into bits now. So we're going to break it to skin, to face, to eyes, then to lips. So these are basically like the 4 categories that like 4 categories of makeup product you would actually need. So first off, we're dealing with skin prep. So for your skin prep is basically everything you need to prep your skin before foundation. I really hope nobody watching this uses just wipes then uses foundation. Like that was so 2010. So first off, you need your cleanser. It can be rose water, it can be micellar water. Then you can get a toner. Toners are really optional, to be honest. You don't really necessarily need a toner, but you can just have it in your kit. It helps with oily skin. Then you need your moisturizer. Okay, moisturizers are very important, and just putting it out there, whether you're oily, your skin is oily, whether it's dry or any kind of skin type, you need to moisturize the face. Hydrating face mask. If you use serums, you can use serums, but you actually, before you use serums, you should actually like do some research before you hop on using serums. Then you should use your primer. So your primer, there are 2 types of primers. There are actually a different type of primers, but I'm just going to mention 2, the basic ones you need. So first off, you need your a hydrating primer and a mattifying primer, because most times people just, when they say primer, people just think okay, it's just mattifying. No, like there are different types of primers, but the 2 major ones, hydrating for like people that have really dry skin, and also a mattifying primer for people that have really oily skin. And then next, you need your setting spray. So there are different types of setting spray, but I'm just going to give you guys the 2 major ones. So there is the illuminating setting god. So there is the illuminating setting spray, and there is like the matte setting spray. So illuminating setting spray is kind of the one that gives you the dewy. There are actually different types of setting sprays. It depends on what you want to go for, but as upcoming makeup artists, I would just tell you to get like dewy illuminating setting sprays, the ones that actually like give you like this glow from within feel when you use them, and a mattifying setting spray. Those are like the 2 major ones. So you need an eye cream. This is optional too, because you can actually substitute it with your moisturizer, basically for just under your eyes. That's what eye creams are used for, just for under your eyes. And yeah, that's basically it about skin prep. So all these things, if you want me to like do a video stating like how they are used, let me know in the comment section. So now we're going to the face. So face is basically everything you put on your face. I know you put skincare on your face, but now Face, we're talking about like your foundation, your color correctors. So let me just be detailed about this now. First off, you need your color corrector. That should actually have gone under skin prep, but yeah, you need your color corrector. You need your foundations. For foundation, you need obviously different types of shades. I think I'll do a video on how when I started doing makeup, like, you know, you can't buy everything, so you have to mix. If you want to see that, just let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so you need your foundation, different shades, mattifying foundation, luminous foundation, long wear, like you need different types of foundations. Okay, then next off, you would need your concealer. Everybody knows what your concealer is for. You need your concealer. Then after that, you would need your setting powder. So now setting powders, most times, especially for upcoming makeup artists, just when you hear setting powder, you just think Benai or you just think Sasha, but there are actually different shades of setting powders. You need all the different shades, and I would advise, if you're going to go on with like setting powders, you need a translucent one. They are like really super affordable, good. Well, there's just one that I know. Good substitutes for the high-end one. So you don't really need to buy the high-end one. You can buy this one. You need your compact powder. So compact powders are like the ones where they're not loose. So there's loose and there's compact. So you need your compact powders that have different shades. Luckily now, they come in like palettes. So you can buy like different shades in like a palette. So you need that one. Or if you want to buy the single ones, you can get the single ones. But you need compact powders of different shades. And after that, you would need your blush. You would need your blush, and it can be liquid blush and it can be the matte one. For beginners, I would say you should use the matte one, then gradually progress to the liquid ones. Yeah, so you can just get familiar with blush, but most people don't like blush. So this is a quick tip. If you want to use blush on any client, you should just ask them, because most people don't actually like blush from experience. After that, you need your highlighter. You guys know, like the glow. You need to glow, okay? You need your highlighters, and yeah, so there are most highlighters, they are loose highlighters, sorry, and there is compact highlighters. So you can just choose the one that works for you. But another tip, most times people go for the ones in the palette, and those ones are not really good, because some of them I don't know how to say this in like pure English, but it just looks like someone slapped you, like they slapped the highlighter on your face. You actually don't want to use that, because that's the difference. You guys, the difference between you and your favorite makeup artist are just like really little things. Aside from experience, they're like really tiny things that you don't pay attention to, but they are really important. So they are loose highlighters and they are compact highlighters. I personally don't like loose highlighters because I like to control stuff. I like to be in control, okay? So it took me time before I even hopped on the liquid blush wagon, because you guys, liquid blush can drive you crazy, okay? I'm not saying this to scare you, but like I said, you actually just have to progress and use it like progressively. Well, you just have to use it with sense, period. Now we're going to eyes. So for eyes is actually something that would actually chop your money. You see, eyes and face, money choppers. You need your brow pencil. If you like to use like your brow gel to draw your brows, you can use the brow gel or brow pencil, anyone you want. Me personally, I use brow pencil because it's just convenient for me. Then next off, you need, like, when I say now, you need a brow gel. So I don't necessarily mean the one you use to draw your brows. Now this is the one to put your brows in place. So now this comes in like 2 different shades. So there's one that comes like gives your brow a tint. So if your brow is too dark, it's kind of going to tint it and make it lighter a bit. I'm actually going to do a video on like affordable products for upcoming makeup artists. Then after that, there is a clear one. There's the one that is tinted and there's one that is clear. So you actually have to pick the one that works for you. But to be on the safe side, it is safe to just have the 2 of them in your kit. So after that, you need eyeshadow. Obviously, you need your eyeshadow. you need your eyeshadow primer. So basically for eyeshadow, it's just your nudes, your transition colors, dark colors for like smoky eye, then shimmery colors, and like a bridal kind of like peachy gold, just subtle colors that just shimmer. Yeah, then you can actually now go to glitters, glitter glue, pigments, and the rest. After that, you would need your eyeliner. So for eyeliners come in like two forms. They come in like liquid, pencil, gel form. Choose the one that works for you. But I would just say you need liquid and gel, because for me, I use liquid on top and I use gel under. That's what I use now. Yeah, so basically that's what I use. So you need liquid and gel. Then after that, you need your lashes, of course, your lash glue. I mean, what is makeup without lashes? Like, what is makeup without lashes? After that, you need your tweezers, you need your mascara. So for lips, I think lips is actually something that is very easy. You don't have to necessarily buy high end to get certain lip looks. But for lips, you need your lipstick, obviously, you need your lip liner. For lip liners, it depends on the kind of look, but a general lip liner would just be any random brown pencil you need, or any random thing. It doesn't have to be so expensive. Or so guys, that is basically how to build a professional makeup kit. These are just like the major things you need before you start buying like every other thing. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. New videos coming out every single week. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let me know if you're from YouTube. Comment or send me a DM or something there from my YouTube page, and let me know if you found this video helpful. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Have an amazing week. Bye.